Hello, my name is Scott and I'm the founder of Shoptoit, and I'm going to walk you through how to claim your lifetime deal. First, let me say thank you for trusting us to help you and your business grow using conversational-based AI chatbots. So you've signed up, your account has been created. So go to your email and you're looking for an email from merchants at shoptoit.ca. Open up that email and inside are the instructions. There's also a quick video if you're interested. I tend to copy my temporary password and then click on the merchants.shoptoit.ca button, and it will jump you directly into where you can log in. Use your same email address, paste in your password, click login, and you're in there. You're going to then be prompted to change your password. So enter a new password. It needs to be 9 characters minimum in length, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase, 1 number, 1 special character, and it must not contain your username from the email, and you can't use characters more than 3 times in a row. I know making passwords is the bane of all of our existence, but your privacy is important to us. You can also enable password protection if you choose to, but you do not need to just by entering a few answers to standard questions. So once you are complete with whether you have the enabled password protection or not, you simply update the password by clicking the button. And now you're in our backend merchants, and click the subscribe now button. And it's going to take you to the lifetime deal subscription. You simply click on the button on the bottom and you're now in Stripe. So this is all very secure, all managed by Stripe, one of the largest payment processors in the world. So you can, with confidence, enter your credit card information for billing. It'll be, again, a one-time bill of $99 US, and you're live. So you simply go in and click on the chatbot button on your left rail, and you add a new chatbot, and you're building. There's an easy to follow instructional video, but you will be making your very first chatbot and testing it in under 10 minutes with no coding required. So you're off to the races. Thank you. We look forward to helping your business grow and wish you the best in the future.